Hello, this is Javier. Welcome to the hour 137. I never thought that I will arrive in that hour, so here. We are. Actually, I will review something that I already reviewed yesterday, but today I wanted to retake that topic because could be very interesting for me to learn more about Power BI or Power Pivot. Actually, I'm studying something regarding with Power Pivot. I am making and creating some tables that allow to me to get some results. So this will be really nice and interesting. Um, I feel bad because maybe 3 months ago I lost my diet, so I'm not eating well now, and it's pretty evident. So, but I will fix it in few days. I think it's enough to talk about me, and it's time to start to study. Uh, my goodness. Okay, welcome. I am sharing my screen now. The idea is just to watch the video. Something is wrong here. I don't like it. I think it's already worked, already done. So I don't like it. Oh, this is too slow. Ah, too late, too slow. Something. Okay, that's it. Okay. Actually, okay, I will give you some context about this task. Basically, here we have data, and we need to create connection, or we need to connect this bridge, and we will need to explain what happened with the beginning balance and with the ending balance. So we need to identify the difference. We need to identify where we have increase and where we have decrease. Which product will be more impacted for any situation. So that is the idea now. The idea is to make a comparison of the budget. So that's it. And here we are. So actually, I have a summary here. This doesn't work for me now because I'm not interested to know about that. But the most important thing is that, as you can see, we have budget of Titan or Titan budget here. So actually, we have, as you can see here now, that budget, Titan budget is we have this data in a in a table format, so that's work and that is really nice for us. But as you can see for Kodiak, we have same situation, but for Apollo we don't have that situation. Why? Because the people from Apollo just are like rebuilds and they don't want to work in the standard way. The most important suggestion is that if we receive uh, some information not in our format or not that is not filled in the format that we request, we should reject it and we should to ask to the person or to the people in charge of this report that they need to fix them and they need to send to us in this way, in the correct way. But in this case, we will go to fix this data and we will use Power Query. That is the main idea. And I going to here in data, I will use data from tables or range. Sorry. First thing is to make this a table to convert this in a table. So I will this labor. Sorry. So after that, we will add them to the Power Query. This is that and say, see. Okay, first thing that we need is to delete this column. So we double click or right click. I select this delete. And the most important thing in Power Query is like you are creating a program where you can identify the change that you are doing. For example, in my case, if I want to delete it, so I already delete the step. But I really want to keep it. So I delete, and I will delete the top bottom. So I will make click there. After this, I gonna say okay, how many rows from the bottom you want to delete. I will keep one. After that, I going to use this void the dynamization column. There is something here that I missed. Ah, that I forget. The the iPhone, the iPhone, yeah. So I going to do this. This is my fault, my mistake. Inside this one. So I here I will use these titles because sorry, I need to use Monto. Oh, okay, I need to add something called as department. Yeah, department. Mm, labor. So that's it. So let's go to the other one. So this one too. The other one. Yes, hey, seriously, guys, actually, I already, actually, as you can see, I already create merge, or I already annex the appendix the data. So actually, as you can see, I have labor, Redis, and software here. So actually, I need to use something more like project, because this is the Apollo project. As I told you, the people doesn't follow up the instructions, so that is not good. Proyecto and Apollo. So actually, I will add here, and after this, I will to add a column to call it as year. Oh, oh, the- So I will just add as a connection. Mm. After this, I already have a data or a table data, so I will add this data too to my model. This one is Titan. Add to the model. Fire. Hey. Already create this one, but I have problem here because as you can see, the I already have the but I will show you af- after create the connection. So I will create the I will annex this data so two or more tables or Principal Apollo, Titan. The main problem that I have now is that I have my data, my complete data, but I don't have a date. So as you can see, I have project, I have department, I have subcategory, I have amount, I have quarter, but I have year, but I don't have date. And if I come here to reality, as you can see, I have department, subcategory, project, date, and, and I have the cost. I don't have the quarter, sorry, but I still or already have a date. So that's mean a lot and give off many difference because we have Q the quarter in the